This is a review of the Silicone, I believe it's Silicone, popcorn maker that requires no oil or an air popper. I bought Orville Redenbacher original air popping popcorn, and this actually allows you to make popcorn without an air popper. It's a microwave, which most people have. I'm going to fill it over the minimum line, and it does say the size, so 50 grams and 100 grams, so I've got about 50 grams in there. And then all you do, actually I'm going to put just a tad bit more. There we go, a little over 50 grams. You place the lid on lightly. It's not a snug fit, there's a little bit of gap. You just let it sit, and you put the popcorn in the microwave, and you let it go. That's way too many minutes, but I will stop it when there is 5 seconds between pops, like the instruction says. And we'll see how it goes. So, air popping, let's see what it says on the instructions. Used in air poppers or oil poppers, but nothing about microwave. So it's neat because we'll be able to use air popcorn in the microwave. You can hear it starting to pop already for 1 minute. Getting pretty close to the end. About 3 minutes. I'm stopping it. It made a pretty full bowl of popcorn. Ooh, it's quite hot. Yep, even those are, too hot to hold. So I'll give it a second, and I'll go get my seasoning. I actually like putting Frank's Red Hot powder on it. Adds for some spicy kick. And the key is to put the seasoning on while it's still a little steamy. That way it'll stick. Because if you let it dry out, it won't stick. Ouch. Quite hot. I'd say that's the one shortfall of this thing, is that the whole bowl gets rather hot. as you can see, it's a pretty full bowl, and I don't know how 100 grams would fit in there because I put the minimum amount. I feel like it would probably make a mess of your microwave, but it works. So no longer do you need another appliance. You have a collapsible bowl. It collapses to about, that high, which is nice. And it works rather well. Aside from getting hot, like too hot to touch, it's now to the point where I can hold it. It's an excellent product, and I recommend it. It doesn't off-gas any plastic smell or anything. It's like high-temperature silicone, and it makes good popcorn.